Now see question number 11. This is a very good question. This type of question, many times it was asked in 11th entrance. Okay. See question number 11. The value of 1 minus tan square 45 11. The value of 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45 is option A tan 60, tan 30, tan sin 45, then option D tan 0. Tan 0. Okay, let's see. So this is very simple. Only we have to put the values. So tan 45 value we know. This is 1. At 45, tan is showing 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So when the numerator is 0, so in order everything becomes 0. So tan 0 is 0 at this degree. Okay, tan 0. Simple question it is. Chaliye. Like question number 12. Sin A equals to 1 by 2 and cos beta equals to 1 by 2. Find the value of alpha plus beta. So we can find the sin is showing 1 by 2 at 30 and cos is showing 1 by 2 at 60. So both A plus B 30 plus 60 is 90. It's very simple. Okay, so question number 13. If triangle ABC is right angle at C, then the value of cos A plus B. So this question we'll see.
Means cos 90. Means A plus B is equal to 90. So
Cos 90 is
0.
cos 90 is 0. Okay. So simple is there only because one angle is already given. It's a right triangle. So the sum of the rest of the angles is 90. So cos 90 is showing 0. So this is only oral questions we can do directly. Now see question number 14. In the adjoining figure, ABC is a right angle at B. AB goes to 10 centimeter and angle C is 30 degree, then the length of the side of BC. So this is also very simple. Okay, let's see one question I am doing here. Question number 40. The 15 you can do. These are the applications of trigonometry that is used to find height and distance. In 10th class, there is one chapter in your book also. I have seen the book. That is the application of trigonometry, that is height and distance, in which overall detail is there that I was telling you about the angle of elevation and angle of declination. So these all are there in that. So in 10th class, inshallah, you will learn some new things. Chapter name? Book the same, this one. Amal Agarwal, 10th. So, let's see question number 14. There is a figure given here. A, B, C. Okay, so this angle is 30. Then of course you can find this, that will be 60. So AB is given 10 centimeter. There is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of side BC. This side we have to find. This is question mark. So you can find it. Options are there. 10 by root 3, 10 root 3, options A. 10 by root 3, option B is 10 root 3, and option C is 20 and D is 5. So this is 20 centimeter and D is 5 centimeter. So from this, whenever one side is given and you have to find the second side, an angle is given, so we can compare by any trigonometric ratio. Okay, so we can put this what we have to find at numerator, or it's not an hard and fast rule, we can take that to the denominator as well. Okay, so we are taking this as numerator and this given one is as denominator. So BC upon AB is perpendicular upon base is for this angle. It is tan 60, right? So BC we have to find, and this AB is 10 centimeter. Now put the value of tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3. Good. So BC is tan root 3 only. So B is the answer. So like this, question number 15 you can do. So this is all about this trigonometry, and inshallah 2 more days are there before your winter. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are there. So in these 2 days we will do some more MCQs from other books. Okay, after winter inshallah we will start new chapter, compound interest. Fine. Okay, Jazakallah.